So what's the major cause of death in motorcycle accidents? Well, I will tell you, having represented a lot of people who were seriously injured or unfortunately killed in motorcycle deaths, in my experience, it is either severe trauma, crush, orthopedic type injuries, or it's head injuries. Please wear a helmet. But I will also tell you that helmets only offer protection up to a certain point. I have seen and represented people who were killed in car accidents and the helmets were split. I've seen issues where people may have survived a crash with an intact helmet, but they suffered severe traumatic brain injuries. Your head bounces around in that helmet, undescribable forces, and it can just make mush of what's inside your head. So, I'm not a pathologist. I can't give you all the specific causes of death, but it doesn't take a rocket scientist or some brainiac to tell you that motorcycle crashes result in much more serious injuries most of the time than regular car accidents or slip and fall accidents. And so certainly there's a number of ways you can die in a motorcycle. You get thrown off a vehicle, maybe another car runs you over while you're in the street. I mean, I could play out these horrible scenarios for the next 10 minutes, but I don't feel the need to do that. If you have questions about your motorcycle case, give us a call at 1-800-TRIAL-PRO or chat with us live on our website at trialpro.com.